Hi there, and welcome to the Fugled Angler. Today you join me, not fishing. I'm actually out for a walk on the Ridgeway in Oxfordshire, sort of up between borders of Oxfordshire and Wiltshire. And we're walking up to a Neolithic burial chamber called Wayland, Smithy. So if you want to come along with me, I can show you what it looks like. We've been up here a few more times in the past for a walk. There's a car park. It's probably about sort of a mile and a half from me, I believe, a mile. Belongs to the National Trust, and it's free to park there if you're a National Trust member, or if you're sort of coming to visit for the day. It's £2 it is at the moment for 2 hours parking. So it's worth doing it. Parking there and walking across. Maybe take a picnic. See, this is walking into it. Wayland Smithy Longbarrow. Wayland Smithy Longbarrow was used for burials over 5,500 years ago in the Neolithic period. Excavations have shown that the monument you see today covers an earlier burrow. Both tombs serve as a focus for ceremonies linking the living and the dead, and may also mark the community's ownership of the surrounding land. The first structure built here between 3590 and 3555 BC was stone and timber box, with two split trunks positioned at each end. Over a period of less than 15 years, the remains of the 14 people, including 11 males, 2 females and a child, were placed in the box. Later, the wooden box was covered by an oval mound of chalk and earth. Between 3460 and 3400 BC, a second larger burrow of a stone chamber was constructed over it. By the time they were examined in 1920, it had been ransacked but still contained the jumbled remains of several people. Interesting stuff. Let's have a walk in there and look in here. Wow, look at this. It's amazing what they managed to do. I mean, how do they transport these big stones here back then? You know, what do they really do? Drag them? I don't know. It makes you think they had other means of moving objects. You know, maybe something we've not realised before. Telekinesis or something like that. Who knows? You know, anything's possible, I find these days. So I'm just going to walk for a moment around the outside. It's quite a big, impressive, long area. Beautiful day as well today. It was raining a bit earlier, but the sun's managed to pierce through now, and it's quite warm. Good job I've got a few bottles of water on me to keep us hydrated when we walk around on our little mission. Lovely views over here, out towards Oxfordshire and Letchlade, the White Horse. Going over that way, going towards Swindon, Highworth, around that way towards sort of M4, I suppose it must be. There's that attractive lady in the background of there. Oh, it's my wife. So I'm walking up to the right hand side of it now, and hopefully there's not too many people around the front and I can get a picture of it. Now I wonder if I can actually walk inside. I used to definitely be able to, so let's have a look around the corner on the left and see if we can walk in. Wow, so here we go. This is it. Thanks. Climb over the top. Here we are. Wow, it's blocked up inside, but you can get through a little way. He's creepy. Microphone and dropped off my camera. I'm not good at the old commando stuff nowadays, I'm getting older. Interesting stuff though. So, if you fancy coming here, like I say, it's free parking, or maybe you can walk up here or ride your bikes if you live locally. Have a nice day out. See you later. Remember, at the Frugal Angler, whatever you're interested in, I got you.